A city in Pampanga is making great strides in COVID response with 0 new cases for 4 straight days. Joining us tonight is Mabalacat City's COVID response implementer, Dr. Jay Rivera. Doc Jay, thank you so much for joining us. 27 villages in Mabalacat City in Pampanga and no COVID cases for the last 4 days. How have you been able to do this?
Well, Rico, it's really a collaborative effort. We really started the program a couple of months ago, last June, having one objective. It's really to have a sustainable and inclusive system. Well, it really helps that the city mayor is a graduate of medicine. So really the collaboration is really easy. And at the same time, we did a focused responsibility and inclusivity of our system. It's a system that comprises our vaccination pillar for our testing and our tracing, for our isolation, and of course, Mabalacat being a very porous city. Remember, CDC, 80 to 90% of CDC or Clark Development Corporation is under Mabalacat City. So you would imagine the transient residents and the reintegration once they are positive or COVID active. That's why we included part of our pillar is the reintegration to their workplace and their household.
And the mayor of Mabalacat City is Chris Garbo. You say that he's been doing a good job in terms of the COVID response. But tell us, what are the current numbers? You've had 4 consecutive days of no COVID cases, but what are the number of active cases, the recovery rate, and the number of fatalities so far?
Yes, that is for us, our objective really is to increase our recovery percentage. At this time, we have around 96, close to 97% recovery percentage. And for the past 4 days, 5 days, we only have 1 or 2 mortalities. Our active cases is down to 0.3%. So our purpose really, Rico, is not really having 0 because we constantly and keep on doing tracing and testing. We haven't stopped, we haven't faltered, we haven't decreased our testing capability. We, so far as the testing, we have collaboration with Red Cross and the provincial government to increase our testing capability. That's why our purpose really is to increase our recovery percentage and hopefully have no mortality. And
I'm
at
sure,
this time,
and I'm sure,
yes.
Doctor, other cities, not only in Pampanga, but nationwide can learn from your best practices. So how many tests do you conduct per day? And one tracer is equivalent to how many residents of Mabalacat City?
Okay, by DOH standards, we complied with the DOH standards of 1:40, 1:30. But what we did was we included our city planning office, our other departments, wherein they are part of our inclusivity program. They are part of the awareness and the sustainability of that program. At the same time, regarding our testing, we do around 100 to 150 tests a day. So again, we really do not expect, to be honest with you, a long run of 0 cases. What we are so excited about is really having a 96 to 97 recovery rate and a 0.3 active case at this time.
And Doc, I want to find out, in terms of your vaccination drive, how many residents of Mabalacat City have already been vaccinated? How many are being vaccinated per day? And when do you think will Mabalacat City be able to attain a population protection or herd immunity?
All right, thank you. Right now, the DILG has told us that we have the highest vaccination rate in all over Central Luzon last week, which was around 97%. Right now, we have already achieved more than 100% of our herd immunity for the first dose. And to complete the second dose, we are eyeing December 1 to have a complete herd immunity. We have also started, Rico, doing walk-ins for other cities. For the past 2 weeks, we have tried to help our neighboring cities and municipalities by doing a walk-in at one of the SM cinemas and providing them, either if they're not from Mabalacat, they will still get vaccinated. And we have amassed around 3,000 to 5,000 at this time of non-Mabalacat being vaccinated in Mabalacat City. So we're happy to tell you that by December 1, we'll be fully vaccinated, first and second dose. Still, our walk-in program will continue. And then we have already started with our pediatric in collaboration with DepEd and our local youth development, plus the booster jabs for our A1 priority group.
Dr. J. Rivera, Mabalacat City's COVID response implementer. Thank you so much for joining us and keep up the good work.